Okay, class. So, let us continue for our next part dito sa ating plane geometry. So, we'll solve problem 6 to 10. Ngayon, pagdating ng problem 6 to 10, dyan napapasok yung ating mga triangle. Ano-ano ba yung mga formula pagdating sa triangle? In order for you to know the area of your triangle, ito lang naman yung mga formula. Okay, the general formula for your triangle, tinuro ko na sa inyong tawag dito, trigonometry, is yung area niya is 1/2 base times height. Okay? 1/2 base times height. Pero pag given yung, ito, given yung angle ito. Okay. So, given two sides, A and B, and an included angle, itong gagamitin mo, 1/2 AB sin theta. Ngayon, pwede mo rin gamitin yung, ano to, Heron's formula. Yan. Where S is the semi-perimeter. Ngayon, sir, meron pa ba tayong mga special triangles dyan? Yes. Paano kapag equilateral triangle? An equilateral triangle, pagpalagay na lang natin dyan. Diba kapag equilateral triangle, ang theta mo is 60 degrees. Equal lahat. So that is, pwede mong gawin ganito. 1/2 area niya is equal to 1/2 AB sin theta. Where sin theta is sin 60 degrees. At ang value ng sin 60 degrees mo is equal to square root of 3/2. I-check mo pa sa iyong calculator. That is square root of 3/2. Yan. So ngayon, if AB sin theta, di ba A, B, equilateral to. Therefore, A is equal to B. O ngayon, pwede mo nang gawin ganito. Okay? A is equal to 1/2 ni A times square root of 3/2. Ngayon, pwede nang ganito. Okay? So, the area for your equilateral triangle is equal to A squared, square root of 3/4. Equilateral lang to, Yan. So, meron pa bang ibang paraan? Yan na lang ang naisip ko. Tatlo lang talaga. So, AB sin theta, base times height, and then Heron's formula. Ngayon, paano, sir? Kung ang triangle mo ay inscribed in a circle. Di ba para siyang parang mata ni Sasuke? Ngayon, yung mata ni Sasuke, maraming nakikita yan. Okay? Sabi ni Sasuke, kapag inscribed daw ang circle, pagdating ng iyong, yung triangle daw, inscribed in a circle, nasa loob daw. Yan, no? Para Sharingan. So, that is always be careful for rapists. Okay? Ano daw, kapag inscribe sa circle ang triangle mo, ayan, drawing mo, parang mata ni Sasuke, na laging naninilip. Nasa loob yung triangle. Okay? O, yan. Area daw niya ng triangle equal to always be careful for rapists. Okay. So, alam mo kung paano, Ngayon naman, kapag daw, circumscribe in a circle, mukha siyang araw, di ba? O, drawingan mo ulit ng triangle dyan para magbuong araw. Ayan. Ayan. So, arise. Ano nangyayari sa araw? Nag-a-arise. Arise. Area ng triangle. Ayan. R, circle. S is the semi-perimeter ng iyong, semi-perimeter. Ano ba yung S dyan? Semi-perimeter ng triangle or circle? Nung circle. Hindi, nung triangle. Semi-perimeter ng triangle kasi wala namang perimeter ang circle. Ang tawag doon is circumference. Okay, S is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter. Ano yan? S is equal to A plus B plus C. Gamitan ulit natin yan mamaya ng calculator technique. Okay? So, that is, ayun, kapag inside ng circle, mata ni Sasuke, okay, naninilip, always be careful for rapists. Ayun, kapag naman daw, nasa loob ng triangle ang circle mo. Ayun, para daw siya mukhang araw. Arise. Okay? So, we have the problem number 6. The side of a triangle are 4 cm, 5 cm, and 7 cm. Determine the radius of the circumscribing circle. Circumscribing circle. Ibig sabihin, nasa loob ba o nasa labas ang circle? Siyempre, inscribe in a circle, nasa loob. Pero pag sinabing circumscribing ang circle mo, circumscribing circle, ibig sabihin, nasa loob yung triangle. Okay. That is, always be careful for rapists. So, alamin natin, what is A, B, and then C. Ang hinahanap natin is R. Yan. Natin alam. So, A is 4, 5, and 7. 4, 5, 7. Ako, sir, hindi ko alam yung area ng triangle. Yes, hindi mo alam yung area ng triangle. Kasi nga, masosolve mo siya using Heron's formula. So, the area of the triangle is equal to, yan, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So, let us solve it the longer method. Alamin muna natin yung area ng triangle. So, the area of the triangle is equal to, yung S, kunin natin, S is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 7 over 2. That is, I think, 16 divided by 2, 8. So, S is equal to 8. That is 8. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 7. Okay, calculate natin. Let us calculate. So, square root ni 8. Tapos, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 6. The 7 pala. So, 4 square root of 6 ang kanyang area. Yan. So, you have the area ng triangle na. Ngayon, makukuha na natin yung R. So, area of triangle is equal to 4 square root of 6 equal to A, B, C over 4R. Hinahanap natin si R. So, R will be equal to ABC. So, 4 times 5 times 7 over 4 times 4 square root of 6. Now, we can solve for R. R is 4 times 5 times 7 over 4 times 4 square root of 6. The answer is 3.57. 3.5720. Oh, sir, paano pag-calculator? Okay, hold your calculators. My friends, hold your calculators. Yan. So, sir, di ba tinuro nyo sa amin yung technique nyo? Yes, tinuro ko sa inyo. Tandaan nyo, class. Ano ba yung una nating sinolve? Di ba si S? So, we denote S as X. Ano yung pangalawa nating sinolve? Sir, di ba pangalawa mong sinolve yung area ng triangle? Yes. So, we let this as Y. Anong muli mong sinolve, sir? Yung R. So, we denote this as M. Tingnan natin, sir, isang pindutan. Okay lang ba? So, you will use sa sides ng triangle yung alpha A, B, and C. Let us see. Ang una mo sinolve, sir, is alpha X. Alpha equal to yung ABC. Alpha A plus alpha B plus alpha C over 2. Okay. Lagay natin si colon. And then, alpha and Y. This will be the area ng triangle. Equal to square root alpha X quantity alpha X minus alpha A quantity alpha X minus alpha B. Then, alpha X minus alpha C. Okay. So, na-solve na natin yan. And then, area na yan. Okay? May area na tayo. Dagdagan pa natin ng isang colon in order for us to solve yung R. Which is, i-denote natin siya as M. Alpha M. Alpha equal to, ano? Alpha A, alpha A, alpha B, alpha C. Over 4. Ano ba yung area? Alpha Y. Hop! Isang pindutan. Okay. Solve natin. Hindi. Calculate pala. Calculate. A is 4. B is 5. C is 7. So, you will first calculate 4S. Tama siya. And then, the area, 4 square root of 6. Tama rin siya. And then, for the radius. Diba? Ang dali. Isang pindutan. Diba? Solve mo lahat kaagad. Hindi mo na kailangan magsulat-sulat. Tama ba? But don't do this during your exam pagdating ng topics. Do this on your board exam. Okay? That is the technique. That is how you will maximize the capability of your calculator. Use it to its full extent. Okay? That is for number 6. Number 7. What is the area in square centimeter of a circle? Circumscribe about. Circumscribe about. Ibig sabihin nasa loob. Inside. Inside. An equilateral triangle with side 14 cm long. So, ibig sabihin, equilateral triangle daw to at nasa loob yung circle mo. Yan. Wala tayong R. Hindi natin alam yung R. Ngayon, ang sabi dito, magmukha siyang araw. So, the area of the triangle is equal to arise. Ayan. Sir, saan po ba natin kukunin yung area ng triangle? Okay, equilateral. Pwedeng herons, yes. Pwedeng AB sin theta, yes. Pero nagbigay na ako ng area, di ba? Area is equal to ng equilateral triangle. 3 square root of 3a squared over 4. Tama ba? So, you have now the formula. Tapos, makukuha mo rin si R. So, R, ano bang area ng circle? That is pi r squared. That is area of your circle. Okay. So, long method muna tayo. Hanapin natin si R. R will be equal to area ng triangle over S. The area of the triangle is square root of 3a squared over 4 over S, which is the semi-perimeter ng triangle. So, that is A plus B plus C over 2. Simplifying. Okay. 2a squared square root of 3 over 4 multiplied by A plus B plus C. Okay. Cancel natin to. Cancel to. So, this will be R is A squared square root of 3 over 2. Yung sum ng side. A plus B plus C. Okay. Lahat naman to equal. So, ABC is equal since equilateral yan. So, this will be A squared square root of 3 over 2 times 3A. Okay? So, simplify pa natin. R will be equal to A squared square root of 3 over 6A. Cancel natin to. Cancel natin yan. This will be square root of 3 over, ano to? A square root of 3 over 6. So, the radius will be, let us see. Calculate natin. A. What is A? 14. Square root of 3. Divide by 6. The answer is 4.04. R is equal to 4.041. 5 cm. Now, pwede nating malaman yung value ni area ng circle. So, for the area ng circle, that is pi times R. R is 4.0415 squared. 4. Answer natin. 4.0415 squared times shift 5. So that will be 51.3139 cm squared. Okay. So, sir, meron pa rin bang technique dyan? Yes, I can give you the technique. Tandaan nyo, ganito yan, ha? So, arise. Hahanapin muna natin si R, which is area ng triangle over S. So, anong una natin kinuha? Kinuha muna natin yung area ni triangle. So, you will denote this as X. Okay? Gawin natin itong X. Tapos, yung R will be the Y, and then the area of your circle will be, ba natin? Will be M. Okay, so pindutin natin dito. Alpha x, alpha equal to, area yan ng triangle. Okay? Ano ba yung area ng triangle? Square root of 3a squared. So a, alpha a squared, tapos square root of 3 over 4. Colon, alpha y. Ano yung y? This is the, ayun no, r. Equal to x, which is r. Okay? Area pala. Alpha x over s. Ano ba yung s? Lagay na lang natin dito. That is 3a yan eh. Alpha a plus alpha b plus alpha c over 2. Yan. Kuha natin. And then colon ulit in order for you to find m. M is equal to pi r squared to. Yung r mo is y. So that is shift pi alpha y squared. Calculate. So 14 ang side. B is 14 again. 14 again. Yan. Tapos area ng iyong triangle. And then this is the radius. And this will be your, diba? Napakadali. Napakadali ng solving. That is how you will solve using your calculator. Okay? Maximize the full extent of your calculator in order for you to ace and top the board exams. That is the technique. Okay? So for number 8, a distance between the centers of 3 circles. Yeah. A distance between the centers of 3 circles, which are mutually tangent to each other externally, are 5, 6, and 7 units. The area of the largest circle is, magdodrawing ulit tayo. So, circle 1. Tapos, drawing ulit. Circle 2. Malaki ng konti. Mutually tangent. O, isa lang magta-touch. O, yan. And then, draw ulit tayo ng isa pang circle. Mas malaki ng bahagya sa dalawa. O, yun. So, dikit natin sila. Yan. Drawingan ko, So, from the center of here, up to here, yan. Center to center, sablay. Center, 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 to center. Ayan, ganyan drawing. So, externally tangent and then yung distances between them is 5, tapos 6 and 7. Pero that doesn't mean na yun yung kanilang radius. So, this will be R1, R1, R2, and then R2, R3, R3. Ngayon, you will form an equation there. R1 and R2. So, R1 plus R2 is equal to 5. Yung R1 plus R3 equal to 6. Tapos R2 plus R3 is 7. Ano bang hahanapin mo dyan? The size of the larger circle. Ngayon, pwede tayong mag-cancellation. Use R1 saka ito, equation 1 sa equation 2. So, R1 plus R2 equal to 5. Okay. Tapos, meron ka ditong R1 plus R3 equal to 6. Anong gagawin mo dyan para makancel yung isa? So, minus ko na lang, okay? Cancel na to. So, this will be R2 minus R3 equal to 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Okay. Multiply ko both sides by negative 1. So, this will be negative R2 plus R3 equal to 1. Equation 4. Ayan, ano ba magagamit ko dito sa dalawa? Ito. Equation 3. So, R2 plus R3 equal to 7. I-add ko na lang yung dalawa. Ay, cancel na to. So, R3, add ko 2R3 is equal to 7 plus 1, 8. Divide both sides by 2. R3 will become 4. Okay. So, we will now solve for the values. R3. So, R1 will be equal to, ulit natin doon, 6 minus 4 equal to 6. And then R2 is equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Therefore, meron na tayo mga sukat nila. Now, in order for you to find yung biggest, ito. The area of the largest circle is, hanap na natin. Siyempre, yung largest circle, yung may pinakamalaking radius, o di yung 4R3. So, the area of the largest circle, okay, is pi r squared equal to pi times 4 squared. That is 16 pi square units. May technique ba dyan? Di ko muna ituturo sa inyo. So, next meeting ko na tuturo sa inyo yung technique dyan. Okay? For number 9, the arc of a sector is 18 units and its radius is 6 units. What is the area of the sector in square units? Ano ba yung arc sector? Ngayon, tinuro ko sa inyo pagdating ng ating trigonometry. Meron kang theta and then this is the length of the arc. Meron kang r and r. Now, for the area of the sector, that is area ng sector. Okay? Area of sector is equal to 1/2 r squared theta. Where theta should be in radian. Parate. Okay? Pero kung ayaw mag-radian dyan, meron pang isang technique dyan. Gagamitin mo yung angle na lang. So, the area of the sector is pi r squared theta over 360. This is in degrees. Okay. So, yan na yung mga formula natin. Ngayon, in order for you to know the length of your arc, S will be r theta, where theta is in radian. Yan. Okay? So, dito, ang tinatanong, the area of the sector. So, the arc of the sector, S is equal to 18. Hindi natin alam si R. Bigay ba ng degrees dyan? Ayun, radius is 6 units. So, now, we will get the area of your sector. Area of sector. Meron ka bang theta dyan? Wala. So, ito yung inaalam. So, S will be equal to R theta. Pero hanapin mo muna si theta in terms of radians. So, S over R. S is 18. 6 is the radius. So, this will be 3. 3 radians. Okay? So, the area will be, gamitin na natin to, yung formula na to. 1/2 R squared is 16. 6 squared, theta is 3. So, 6 times 6 divided by 2 times 3. That is 54 square units. Okay, that is for problem number 9. Paano naman, sir, kung gagamitin ko yung isang formula? I-convert mo muna to sa theta. At 360 degrees. 3 radians yan. Okay? So, this will be pi r squared 6 squared. Tapos theta is 3 degrees. Okay? 3 radians. 3 times pi 1/8 over 360. So, calculate natin. 36 shift pi times 3 times 180 over shift pi. And then 360. This is 54. Yeah. Okay? So, that is for problem number 9. Problem number 10. A rhombus has diagonals of 16 and 10 inches. Determine its area. Now, what is a rhombus? A rhombus is something like a kite. So, yeah. This is a rhombus. Yeah, this is the rhombus. Now, kapag nag-drawing ka dyan ng iyong diagonal, may formula dyan in order for you to know the area. This diagonal 1, this diagonal 2. D1, D2. Yan. Ano po ba yung mga area niyan? Sir, balik tayo dito. The area of your rhombus or any parallelogram is given by this formula. Paano natin yung snipping? Yan. This is the area of your parallelogram or the rhombus. Ayan. So, you have the formula. Bakit, sir, naging ganito? Okay? Note that, yung rhombus mo kasi can be having, yung 90 degrees dun sa iyong diagonal. And any parallelogram, given itong general area formula, AB sin theta, ganun din naman yung square mo. Where AB are the sides and then theta is the included angle. Kapag square yan, ang included angle mo is sin 90. Ang sin 90 is 1. Yan. Ngayon naman, kapag diagonal naman ang pagbabasihan mo, ito yung beta. Okay? 1/2 diagonal ni 1, diagonal ni 2, sin beta. But beta here is 90 degrees also. Kapag rhombus. Kaya naging ganito. Okay? 1/2 D1, D2. 1/2 D1 times D2. That is for a rhombus. Now, for the area ng rhombus mo, that is 1/2 ng 16 times 10. That is 160 divided by 2. I think that is 80. By 80 square units. That is very simple for rhombus. And for problems 10 to 21, we will proceed after a short break.